Okay, another fresh one. 2018 Honda CRV LX all-wheel drive. Obsidian blue, gray interior, alloy wheels. Again, all-wheel drive. Only 82,000 miles. Great miles on a 2018. This car is going to go through the shop. They're going to do a 182-point inspection. They check it over from front to back, top to bottom, side to side. Make sure that the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to specification. That way we can send it down the road with a guarantee. We guarantee it for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Everything that would be covered under the new vehicle factory warranty, that original 336, is covered by Victory Honda. Comes with 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations, so 2 years worth of maintenance. You buy this car from us, rest assured you're getting a good quality pre-owned vehicle that's been inspected, that all the maintenance and everything needed to be done is done, and we stand behind it. So give us a call today, 734-453-3600. Come visit us, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. You get all the keys with it. These actually have 3 sets of keys because they have a valet key. So two of the ones with the fob and then a valet key. Show you the interior there, the books, the manuals, all that stuff, CARFAX. You'll get all that. Give us a call today, Victory Honda Plymouth. Thank you.